Hey everybody. Well, today's video is going to be quite simple. I'm sowing green onions and leeks. So roughly you plant them the same way. Let me show you how I'm doing it. I'm gonna be using this little setup. It's basically two bread pans from the dollar store. One I've cut some holes in it, and the other one is gonna be there to make sure it doesn't overflow, because I'm gonna be putting them there so they can get some sun. Hey Biddy, there's Biddy. Biddy, don't mind the floor, everything's dirty because we're doing construction works. So anyway, this is what it looks like with soil in. I tap my soil because this is dry, so when I water it up, it's gonna, it's gonna packed up. So I make sure it's already packed up because I don't want to have it like half soil. I want it to be, kind of full, because onion can get like long roots. They'll reach the bottom pretty fast. And yeah, later on I'll show you how to break this up and then sow them outside. These are green onion seeds. They are pretty small seeds, as you can see. Yeah. And basically I'm just gonna sprinkle them like that. I hope, alright. Just gonna sprinkle that with the little, I thought I would be having more in my packet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sprinkle those like that, and I'm gonna make two little pans like this. I'm gonna try to make sure there's some everywhere. But anyway, green onions and leeks roots are like all like going down, so they're real easy to separate later on. And yeah, basically that's it. I'm gonna be covering it up with some soil, just like that. Not a lot of it, just a little, and then I'm just gonna water it with a spray bottle, just so the little seed start germinating. And maybe in 2 to 3 days I'll start watering it a little bit more. You could also have watered like the soil before. You could have done a lot of stuff, but this is probably the simplest way to do it. And yeah, that's it. Yep, I'm gonna do this 3 times and I'll come back. All right, let's do this properly with the leeks. As you can see, they are exactly the same as the green onions were. So yeah, let's sow this like that everywhere, and just like that. It's gonna be all right. Yeah, like I said, they are easily breakable after once they start sprouting. I'm just gonna make sure there's not big clumps of them. There you go. All right, and now I'm gonna water them properly. You're gonna make sure that the water touches the seeds, and that's about it as far as water goes. I'm gonna add more soil, just like that. There you go. Man, really gotta get used to filming again. And you can't really like look through the camera because it doesn't have the same depth as in real life. So you end up putting the soil there when anyway. So there you go. Oh man, my phone is gonna get dirty. There you go. Water it down like that. And I won't even put a bag over it because it's gonna be all right. Ah well, maybe I'll put a little dome since I got them. And yeah, I've got my onions, my green onions, and this one I actually watered like that. And we're gonna make a little test to see which one grows faster. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in a few days when they start sprouting. So here are the green onions. They basically all sprouted at the same time, so it didn't matter in the end. Sorry about the wind, it's making the plastic noisy. So yeah, I'll give them maybe a week or 2 more of growing time, because they'll be easier to spread. Buddy, yeah, but he's pushing me. He wants to go under the pants. He thinks there's still squirrels or something underneath there. So yeah, I'll give them a few weeks more time, and then I'll be sowing them outside. I'll probably make a video of it. And what I'm gonna do, basically the same thing as these. I'm just gonna harvest them by cutting them. I'm not gonna root them out. So they'll be growing again and again. And if we do have a mild winter, the sun is strong today, I'll probably be able to save a few. They will overwinter, and next year they might actually make seeds, or you know, they'll be bigger and I'll harvest them anyway. So yeah, cheers guys, and see you next video.